paper airplane.
First, you fold it in half, like this. Fold in half. Then you bring it up and fold, and get this corner. Fold it like this. Straight on the other side. Like this. Then get this top part corner. And get it here and just fold it. And fold like this. Do it again on the other side. And fold it in half. Now you get like this part here. You just fold it like this. I'm done. Made a paper airplane that flies super fast. Bye.